for letting us in the combine. It's been a dream since I was a little kid, and now I finally made it. And look, there are all the beans. Are these, so humans can eat them, but they're cattle feed?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So do you think, where are these going, do you know?
They usually go abroad.
Abroad, fair enough.
Some usually go to Egypt. Some of this here is trailers running so close to the end of the header.
Yeah, it is, yeah, actually. Usually he'd be a bit more over the left.
Yeah.
Is it just because he's a new?
No, it's just how it is. The auger's not long enough. It's about.
Oh, right, okay. Yeah, I have that with my Massey on Farming Simulator. Yeah.
Oh, I just push out of the way with it.
Yeah, I bought a lorry as well,
Yeah.
and the pipe doesn't like fit.
Oh, yeah.
The header's like, I put a bigger header on it.
Yeah.
Because I bought the Klaus header for the 8900s,
Uh-huh.
and then like the last harvest I had, and then put that on when I was harvesting, you know, the second harvest, and then yeah, I couldn't. The pipe was so small, so I had to like wait till I had a full grain tank, and then like back the lorry in.
Yeah. Yeah, well, we'll see you later. You know?
Yeah.
And then you left with no work, so it's a bit cheeky. But
Yeah. Well, Nick's quite good, I guess.
yeah, Nick's really good. He's, you know, I didn't be able to come by for a few days, but I could ring him now and say, oh, I'm knackered, I'm going to have to go up. And,
Yeah, and he'll say.
We'll bring none up until the rooms.
Yeah.
Stupid hours. It don't work. I still have a go. A lot of people, like farm workers, as soon as the GPS packs up, they pack up as well. They just
Exactly. Yeah.
don't know how to do it. And a lot of people say that they've had students for the season, they just stop, and the yours they don't stop because they don't know what to do.
So you didn't go to the college in Milton, you just...
No, I went to Shuttleworth.
Ah, right, okay.
That's a very good college.
But to be like, if I did want to work at a farm,
Yeah,
I wouldn't probably, you know, have the money to start my own farm.
yeah,
That's a lot.
yeah.
So you'd have to go to college to get like husbandry and stuff like that.
Yeah, there's like different courses where I went, so there's
You do
different subjects. There's animals, what was it, livestock,
life, yeah.
crops,
I prefer to,
land environment.
yeah, I prefer to do arable if I'm honest.
Yeah, better go arable. Don't
Yeah.
want to go into livestock.
Yeah, David Roll said to go livestock.
Yeah, it's crap.
Yeah, it is.
Livestock, I hate it.
Wait, were you the guy that I was speaking to in the pickup truck when you were pushing down the posts?
That's my brother.
Oh, I was going to say you look like you. Does he work at the farm as
I
well?
don't look like him. I do not look like him.
Oh, shit. Oh, right. Does he work at the farm as well then?
Yeah, he's my brother. He runs the farm at home, if you like.
Oh, but you sometimes worked here.
He used to work here before I came here.
Oh, when did you come here?
I came here in 2015.
Oh, no, but I saw him in. It might have been you, but
Yeah, he comes and gives us a hand with
Ah, right.
fencing, if you know what I mean.
Yeah. Is that,
Yeah, the fencing. Nick doesn't really get involved with, so.
no, yeah, that was with the cat.
What?
The cat telehandler.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you talking about then?
The cat, and you also. Oh no, that's the other guy's the Merlot, isn't it? It's not yours. Yeah, the cat's quite old now, isn't it? It's like
10 years old.
10 years, blimey. So you don't have any more machinery arrivals?
Percy, the old International.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
Brilliant. It's got a bridge, as you can see.
Is it? Fair enough.
Yeah, so we've got revs here.
Yeah.
So this is in eyes.
The rabbit.
The rabbit.
The tortoise.
Yeah, tortoise is
Slow. Yeah.
I mean, these two yellow ones are
PTO.
yeah, that's it. Yeah. So this one's the back half.
Yeah.
This does the combine, and then the front. This one does
It's the header.
Header.
Yeah.
I've got the dial here for my header height.
And the.
That's the real speed. So
Oh yeah.
speed up, slow it down.
Yeah.
That's road mode.
Oh yeah.
It's a picture of a motorway and a bridge.
Okay. And what's the top speed of this? 20?
It will do 40k, so about 25 miles.
25. Okay. Fair enough.
Which it doesn't sound fast, but when you're in it,
Yeah,
it
yeah.
soon takes off.
And it's got quite a lot of torque as well. It just,
Yeah.
you know, on the road when it's not pulling anything, like, you know,
Yeah.
it'll proper go.
First time I drove on the road this year, ran away with me. I was like, oh my god,
Yeah, yeah.
panic, didn't I? And what that'll do is that will stop me from accidentally pressing anything.
Ah,
So this, I won't be able to press it. This won't do anything if I activate it.
brain tank. 3/4 full. Well, it does take a while to cut. Nick isn't even back yet.
Yeah. Well, this chap
Yeah.
can't drive on the road,
Ah, well, who's driving that tractor?
so Nick's going to swap with him when he gets back.
Ah.
So, a bit of a pain, but
Yeah, I saw him reversing up that hill. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. So David takes the straw. The David rolls.
David Rolls, yeah,
Yeah.
he's pretty good.
Yeah, yeah. He does a lot of like hay and stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, he doesn't hang about.
No, no.
Well, I think we did that Sunday, I think that film. So
Yeah,
it's been raining since, and I mean it's Wednesday now, so
yeah.
I already know what to do.
I didn't realise the beans. I thought it was the winter wheat that was going to be harvested.
Yeah, yeah, and it should be, but it's so wet, and this dries out so
Yeah,
quick.
yeah, a bit like oilseed rape.
Yeah, so much quicker.
Yeah.
So a bit more fiction. But yeah, it's pretty wet this year.
Yeah, it's not been a great summer.
No, it's just, I don't know where it's gone, to be honest.
Yeah, I mean, we have had a few nice days, but I mean, at least the yield is a bit better than.
Yeah. Well, things hang on so much.
Yeah.